class we will learn Japanese family vocabulary. So let's start. Mother, okasan. Mother, okasan. Pronounce with me. Mother, okasan. Let's move to the next word. Father, otusan. Pronounce with me. Father, otusan. Let's move to the next word. Older brother, oni-san. Let's pronounce it with me. Older brother, oni-san. Let's move to the next word. Younger brother, otuto. Let's pronounce it with me. Younger brother, otuto. Let's move to the next word. Older sister, oni-san. Let's pronounce it with me. Older sister, oni-san. Now let's repeat it all again. Mother, okasan. Father, otu-san. Older brother, oni-san. Younger brother, otuto. Older sister, oni-san. Let's move to the next word. Younger sister, emoto. Let's pronounce it with me. Younger sister, emoto. Let's move to the next word. Wife, tsuma. Wife, tsuma. Let's pronounce it with me. Wife, tsuma. Let's move to the next word. Children, kodomo. Children, kodomo. Let's pronounce it with me. Children, kodomo. Let's move to the next word. Son, musuko. Son, musuko. Let's pronounce it with me. Son, musuko. Let's move to the next word. Daughter, musume. Let's pronounce it with me. Daughter, musume. Now let's repeat it all again. Younger sister, emoto. Wife, tsuma. Children, kodomo. Son, musuko. Daughter, musume. Now let's move to the next word. Nephew, I. Let's pronounce it with me. Nephew, I. Now let's move to the next word. Niece, me. Now let's pronounce it with me. Niece, me. Now let's move to the next word. Grandchild, mako. Grandchild, mako. Let's pronounce it with me. Grandchild, mako. Now let's move to the next word. Cousin, itoko. Let's pronounce it with me. Cousin, itoko. Let's move to the next word. Uncle, uji. Uncle, uji. Let's pronounce it with me. Uncle, uji. Now let's repeat it all again. Nephew, oi. Niece, me. Grandchild, mako. Cousin, itoko. Uncle, uji. Let's move to the next word. Auntie, obasan. Let's pronounce it with me. Auntie, obasan. Let's move to the next word. Stepmother, kibo. Let's pronounce it with me. Stepmother, kibo. Let's move to the next word. Granddaughter, mako, musume. Granddaughter, maku, musume. Let's pronounce it with me. Granddaughter, maku, musume. Let's move to the next word. Brother, kyodai. Let's pronounce it with me. Brother, kyodai. Now let's move to the next word. Sister, imoto. Sister, imoto. Let's pronounce it with me. Sister, imoto. Now let's repeat it all again. Auntie, obasan. Stepmother, kibu. Granddaughter, magu, musume. Brother, kyodai. Sister, imuto. In next class, we will learn Japanese color vocabulary. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can like, that will inspire me at the future, and you can also provide a comment. You can provide a suggestion so I can understand how I will improve more. And this videos are for the basic understanding of all the international languages. But if you want to know some more deeper of any international languages, you may contact Levitate Yourself at Chapajali Mode, Barashat. The contact details is given at the screen and in the description. Goodbye.